Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize IRA contribution limits review on IRS Free File, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the IRS Free File website. Select the option that best fits your tax situation. Create an account or log into your existing account. Once logged in, locate the section for contributions and deductions. Look for the option related to IRA contributions. Click on this option to proceed. Review the eligibility requirements for IRA contributions. Input your personal information as prompted. Next, enter your total income for the year. The system will guide you through the contribution limits based on your age and income. Make sure to read each prompt carefully. Be aware of the traditional and Roth IRA limits for the current tax year. Adjust your contributions if necessary, according to the guidelines provided. Once you've entered all the necessary information, review your entries. Confirm that everything is accurate before submission. If prompted, provide any additional documentation required. Submit your information through the system. After submission, you will receive a confirmation of your IRA contribution limits review. Keep this confirmation for your records. If you encounter any issues, refer to the FAQ section on the IRS Free File website. Alternatively, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.